guys, today I'm going to eat mango. Yeah. See how she cut for me. At first, I finish. This is my first one. I finished very fast. You want to see? Okay. Okay. This one is really chill. Good. Like and subscribe.